Hey everyone, Troy Harris here. Now let's dive into something that's been buzzing around lately, the 2024 US election. Everything going crazy right now. We've had Donald Trump's assassination attempt, President Joe Biden stepping down. What does this actually mean for the crypto market? There's big political changes on the horizon. It's crucial to understand how these shifts might shape the future of cryptocurrency. Now, there's a lot of craziness going on right now. And as we gear up to the 2024 US election happening this November, we prepare for the end of Joe Biden's presidency. There's a lot to unpack about what this actually means for the cryptocurrency market. So I want to break it down into 5 key areas for you all. Now, number one, this is a big one, regulatory environment. Now, the regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies is one of the most critical factors that will influence the market. The stance of the new administration will be pivotal in this. Now, we've already had Donald Trump come out and say that he's very much pro-crypto, very much pro-Bitcoin. He's been quoted as saying that he's going to have Elizabeth Warren and her team of Brooks, as he calls them, stay away from the self-custody that we have with Bitcoin and crypto. And he's been very positive about crypto-friendly policies. Now, he's also going to be presenting at Bitcoin 2024 as well. Now, the news has just been released with current Vice President Kamala Harris saying that potentially she might be presenting at Bitcoin 2024 as well. So there's a lot to unpack here. Now, as we move into November and the election, and as the new administration comes in, they're going to want to lean towards supporting cryptocurrencies. And if they do that, we could see regulations that actually encourage innovation, which will be a huge change from what we've currently seen with the US pretty much falling behind on the global stage, and developers going to other areas of the world to be able to do what they want to do in crypto and with blockchain technology as well. Imagine clearer guidelines for blockchain technology, streamlined processes, and things that will enable proper measures that will bolster decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, etc. Such policies are going to likely boost market confidence, attract more institutional investment, and pave the way for broader mainstream adoption. For example, higher institutional investments, broader mainstream adoption is where it's at. Now, we've already seen with BlackRock, Fidelity, all these major institutions entering into and having a Bitcoin spot ETF, and now we've just had the Ethereum spot ETF come out. That regulations are kind of, I guess you could say, becoming a little bit more in favor of crypto. Now, in regards to stricter regulations, we've got to be prepared for this as well. So on the flip side, if the administration decides to, say, impose stricter regulations, the market could take potential hits in regards to this. So tighter controls, as they say, and they use these reasonings of AML with anti-money laundering and KYC requirements and things like that. This is kind of things that the government will spruik around, saying that they're trying to improve these things for customers, where in fact they're being very strict around people's crypto. So if there's more aggressive crackdowns on unregulated crypto activities, this could stir up the market uncertainty and stifle growth. This is something we absolutely do not want. So this brings up to our second key point. The second key point I want to talk about is market confidence. Now, political stability and clear policy directions, these are key to keeping market confidence steady. We've had the CEO of Coinbase come out, Brian Armstrong, plenty of times, and to say quite simply, just give us some direction here so that the crypto market can move forward and go in that direction. So what we want to see is positive sentiment. So a stable political environment with clear, supportive policies can work unbelievable wonders for investor confidence. And in turn, I think we'll see with this, obviously, improved prices and upward price movements that'll happen in regards to this. Now, retail and institutional investors alike, everyone craves predictable, secure investing landscapes. And that's something that's really going to fuel market growth and will even draw newer participants and more participants into the crypto space. With increased volatility, what we may see on the flip side around political uncertainty could be potential negative stances towards cryptocurrencies, and this will ramp up volatility. We've seen this before in the past when, nation states like China and so on have come out and banned crypto and all this kind of stuff. And this is in the past kind of really, I guess you could say, upset the global market of crypto. But as the market grows and crypto and Bitcoin grows, we're seeing a lot less implications for that. So the political climate, I believe, the regulatory clarity is so important here, and it's really going to help shape market confidence as we move into this incredible next 12 to 18 months of this potential huge bull market we've got coming in crypto. Now to the third point. Now, the third point is around tax policies. So in my opinion, tax policies will play a significant role in shaping the cryptocurrency market. So obviously what we want to see a favorable tax treatment, right? So if the new administration that comes in November start implementing favorable tax policies for cryptos, then we're going to see more confidence pushed into the market. This might include things like reduced capital gains taxes on crypto assets, tax incentives for blockchain startups, all these kinds of things, just clearer tax reporting guideline for investors. Now, alternatively, if we don't see that and we see higher taxes come in, this is not what we want to see, because that's just going to cause unnecessary burdens on the crypto market with transactions and holdings getting affected. That's not something we want to see. And if both parties, both Democrats and Republicans, are coming out now and saying that they are so-called pro-Bitcoin and pro-crypto, then this is something that I can't really see a new administration favoring the higher taxes. I feel like they will choose the first option here, which we all hope. Now, number 4 is my fourth key point, which is tech development. Now, tech development is super crucial for the development of the market, especially in the US. And Donald Trump has come out and said that he's very much in support of the future of Bitcoin and crypto being in the USA. So we want to see support for innovation. If the new administration in November promotes the use of blockchain technologies across various sectors and things like this, we could see much accelerated adoption. And this is so crucial for this point in the market because, as I've said before, over the next 12 to 18 months, we could potentially see life-changing gains, life-changing massive amounts of money poured into this space. So if we're getting that support for innovation, that's only going to help. On the contrary side, we don't want to see a lack of support because obviously that is only going to affect overall technological advancements and will slow down the adoption of blockchain technology. Without government backing, innovation might face hurdles and things like that. So we want to see that positive support coming in for crypto, and especially in for the tech development space, which I feel has particularly been lacking over the current years. The fifth one is global positioning. Now, the US play a crucial role in the global financial system, and its stance on international trade and financial regulations, it's going to impact the global cryptocurrency market. So we want to see the US take a leadership role. We want to see them creating international standards, having a clear understanding. Now, we've seen in the past that organizations in the US like the SEC haven't been so forthcoming with that, and things haven't been very clear in regards to that. Like I mentioned before, Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, has repeatedly said he's one of the biggest players in the US in cryptocurrency, and he's repeatedly said, just give us a clear path. So that's what the US really is after, is someone to lead and give clear standards and cooperation with all other countries as well, that can continue to facilitate cross-border transactions, encourage global investment in cryptocurrencies. And that's the kind of stance that I really feel going to be positive for the cryptocurrency market, and what both parties, especially the Republican Party with Donald Trump, have come out and clearly said that they're going to do. So, in conclusion, really, the outcome of the 2024 US election and the policies and everything that surround the new administration is going to be critical for the future of cryptocurrencies. I feel like we're in a point of time that's is a huge critical point where we can really take this to the whole next level and not stifle development. The regulatory environment, market confidence, tax policies, all these things, support around technological development, the US's global positioning will play crucial roles in shaping the landscape of the crypto market. So as we navigate this period of change, it's essential for investors, industry stakeholders, market participants to stay informed about political developments and their potential impacts on the cryptocurrency space. This dynamic nature, it's only going to get more crazy as we get closer to the elections, and I really anticipate an unbelievable next 12 to 18 months in the cryptocurrency space. So, navigating and understanding this situation, it means that ongoing analysis, adaptability, it's going to be key for understanding everything that's going on here. But there are so many opportunities ahead, and I really see and feel there's going to be a lot of positive ones coming up.